office in Chicago has issued a tornado warning for East Central Lee County in north central Illinois, southwestern DeKalb County in north central Illinois until 6:45 p.m.
Produced 15 tornadoes in the Chicago area, $11.5 billion of damage. It's the most expensive thunderstorm complex ever to traverse the United States.
Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of east central Lee and southwestern DeKalb counties, including the Rollo area. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. A tornado warning.